To fix an Xfinity router with a blinking yellow light, it is essential to understand the causes of this issue and the steps to resolve it. The blinking yellow light typically indicates a problem with the router's connection to the internet or a firmware issue. First, restart your router by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues. If the problem persists, check the physical connections of your router, ensuring all cables are securely plugged into the correct ports. Next, check for any outages in your area by visiting the Xfinity website or using their mobile app. If there is an outage, you will need to wait until the issue is resolved. If there are no outages, try resetting your router to its default settings. This can usually be done by pressing a small reset button located at the back of the router. Be aware that this will erase all of your customized settings, so you will need to set up your router again. Another possible cause of the blinking yellow light is outdated firmware. Check the Xfinity website for any firmware updates and follow their instructions to update your router's firmware. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Xfinity support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem or send a replacement router if yours is faulty. In conclusion, fixing an Xfinity router with a blinking yellow light involves checking the physical connections, restarting the router, checking for outages, resetting the router, and updating the firmware. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your internet connection up and running again.